Welcome back to another episode of the JPEG podcast. Welcome back to the Daily Dope. Today, the word is integrity. Seen a lot of things going down just recently. A friend of mine, he produces supplements, like pre-workout kind of supplements, for weightlifting, fitness, physique, all of that. And his manufacturer, who produces his goods, straight up copied his name of his product and is putting out the same product. Your manufacturer, what do you do when you're a small business? You've been around for a year, you're building up some traction, you've got this brand you created, you've got an idea for it, and you tell your manufacturer this in all confidence, like because you want to work together. He'll say, "Oh, that he said that's a really cool brand. I like the idea, see the vision." And then 1 year later, sees that you're making orders, however big your orders are, and decides to straight up rip off and copy your name and your product. And you don't even know about it until you see it on Instagram on someone like producing and saying, "Oh, we've been talking about this and time to put a brand it, time to brand it." Are you kidding me? Then you contact them and they want to make you feel like you did something, like you're the imposter, or like, "What are you talking about? You're crazy. I had this idea." Baloney, you didn't have the idea. Integrity comes in many forms. I mean, you just heard this story about the manufacturer. Integrity, I feel, my dad always told me, integrity is doing the right thing when nobody's looking and when no one will ever know. I mean, you'll know. You know the difference between right and wrong. Make your choice. Do what you want. I try to move with integrity. My company, all of my team moves with integrity. We're not perfect, but you can't just like try and pass this off as good or sell something you don't believe in or straight up rip off someone's brands. I mean, like we're working with brands all the time. We're producing all sorts of things for them. We could easily put in a couple extra on the run and sell them or keep them, but no, that's not the way we do business. In our advertising business, if we're going to post an ad somewhere, for either whether it's a local company or a mainland company, we do what is right, even when no one's looking. Think about that. It's like a scene from Trading Places with Eddie Murphy when the Dukes, they drop some money on the ground. I think it's a money clip on the ground, and they think Eddie Murphy's going to steal it. It was a test. Eddie Murphy says, "Hey, wait a minute, you dropped this. It was a bunch of money." Gave it straight back to him. That's integrity. Same story happened with my father when he's in the hotel business. I think he was in London or Germany opening up hotels, and his boss at the time, I believe, dropped $100 bill on the ground, and this is like in the 70s. So $100, is pretty sizable amount. He saw what my dad did. My dad picked it up and gave it right to him. Another time was when you're counting up the cash drawer at the end of the night. They made sure to put some extra money in there to be over the top, over the kitty that they started with, whether it's like $200, right, of cash. It was over. So what he did, he turned it in. And that story always stuck with me. My dad has integrity, and he's passed on that to us. That's why he's, 30-year plus Rotarian, Rotary Club. Yeah, integrity. That's the word of the day. Doing what is right, even when no one is watching. To catch more episodes and to support us, just go to jeanpaul.com. That'll take you straight to my YouTube channel. You'll see the whole playlist with all podcast episodes, daily dope episodes. Give it a like, smash that like button, give it a share with your friends, and subscribe. If you want to see new episodes coming out and be alerted of it, please subscribe. Click that little bell icon in the top right corner. It would be so awesome if you did so. I'm really trying to build up the channel, a very fun project to do. So take it as far as we can go with it. Have a good one, guys. Aloha.
I want the daily dope again. I want the daily dope.